Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2019 Ford Transit Connect with 21,883 miles. A bin package or ladder rack can be added at an affordable price. Additionally, it is eligible for Section 179 tax write-off. Hengehold Trucks keeps businesses moving, helping hard-working people find the right truck to get the job done. For 3 generations, we've been Northern California's most trusted source for pre-owned commercial trucks and vans. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. Businesses have counted on us for over 75 years. We don't do gimmicks, shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.